guys, thank you for visiting my channel. This is Gigi Gabrielle. Here I am with the Bobbi Boss Devon wig update, and I just want to let you know that she is a gem, a pure synthetic gem. This wig really lasts. I've had it on all day. I slept with it last night. I did sleep with the bonnet, you know, to like keep it up or whatever so it doesn't get all tangled and everything, and it really worked. And then today I went to a birthday party, and it's kind of funny because it's for my mom's dog, so it's like my dog brother. His birthday party, his name is Ida.
1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
And I was there for hours, and we even sat outside in the porch for like 2 hours, and I was seeing everyone with natural hair, like their hair frizzing up and getting kind of like curly, you know, because of the humidity. And then here mine was on point, so I felt good. I got a lot of compliments, and I did go in with foundation here, so like, you know, like to make the part look better, like hide the grids, and here as well. So it looked better today than when I tried it on for you guys the first time, because I didn't do anything to that. I wanted to show you what it really looks like, you know, just as is, as far as the grids is concerned. The style held up really well. I didn't get a bunch of tangles. You know, there are times where you get a synthetic wig, you wear it all day, you have to make sure you brush that, because if you don't brush it often, it's gonna be tangled, all matted up, all together, like it just becomes one piece. This did not happen with this one. I didn't go in and brush it at all since I've been out the whole entire day. And I didn't really run my fingers through it like that either. So I wanted to show you guys what it really looks like, you know. So as you can see, like I told you, she held up really well. This is a good buy. Like honestly, I want to go and buy like 4 of these wigs. I want to buy it in like all colors, and especially this one. I want to buy this one like 3 times. That way I have it just in case, because I am in love. Okay, I'm serious. Like I have a wedding that I'm gonna be going to soon, and I might even wear her. Like she is just so bomb. I am so in love. So I definitely, you know, suggest her. See, now this is natural. You see how I told you I didn't go in untangle it. I didn't brush it. I was being real with you, as you can see, because this is to be expected, like for things to tangle up, you know, on the nape of your neck, on the underside. But if you look over here, like it's not like that, you know. Of course I can't just go and run my fingers through it like, you know, a crazy amount, but it, like I told you, it doesn't look matted up or anything like that. She looks still, you know, she still has luster to her. She still looks good. So I definitely recommend her. And then if you don't like super long hair, you can even cut her. I mean, because she would still look cute, even here too, you know. Like for example, like one of my sisters, I was thinking about we were talking about like what wig would look cute on her. So like even like this style, like here, would look really cute on her, because this bang is like life. I don't know, like I told you, I'm just in love with this wig. I'm literally gonna go out and buy her 10 times over, because I want it forever. And she's so versatile. You could do a bunch of things up here, and she just like stays laid so well. Obviously, you know, if you're just using Got2b like me, I've had to kind of spray it down a little bit more. And I might go back in and like plug her a little bit more, but we'll see what happens. But definitely great buy. I suggest it very much so. So again, this is Devon, and I'll make sure I put the color in the comment section below. So please comment, let me know what you think. Let me know if you ever tried her before, or what wigs you think are really good that maybe you want me to give it a shot, and I will try it out. And so you can expect these updates from me. I'm always gonna update the wig, you know, as well. As far as I can control, I'm gonna always try to give you an update on the wig, because I know that a lot of the times people just come in, they wear the wig, you know, right out the box, they customize it and everything, and they put it on for you, and it looks beautiful. But what's up? What happens like when you wear it the whole day? You know, a lot of the times the hair is trash. Like it just looks trash. You have to keep constantly brushing it so it can look good. By the end of the night, your hair is super matted up, looking like trash. So that's happened to me. This one is not that case. This one still looks good. But anyways, have a good night. It's late over here for me, and I'll definitely be posting more. So please press that notification bell so you can get notifications to all my new videos. Like and subscribe. Bye.